Welcome back to SGS online classes. Today in class 5 EVS I will start chapter 10 pollution part 3. Student, in part 3 I will explain water pollution. In part 1 I have explained in part 1 of chapter 10 pollution I have explained soil pollution. In part 2 of chapter 10 pollution I have explained air pollution. Student, now in part 3 water pollution. In water pollution I will explain what is water pollution, causes of water pollution, effects of water pollution, measures to control water pollution. So student, let's start. Student, when we are thirsty, what we do? When we are thirsty, what we do? We drink water to quench our thirst. What is water? What is water? Water is a transparent, tasteless, odorless, colorless liquid. What is water? Water is transparent, tasteless, odorless, colorless liquid. What is the formula of water, student? What is the formula of water? H2O. This is formula of water. How much percentage of earth is covered with water? Student, about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Now student, in that percent, 96.5% is pulled by ocean, that is salt water. 2.5% is fresh water, and 1% is covered with glacier. So this is the structure of how much area is covered by earth, how much area is covered by water. Now student, what is water pollution? Contamination of water bodies. What are water bodies, student? Water bodies: rivers, lakes, ponds, underground water. These are water bodies, etc. So student, contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities is called water pollution. Contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities is called water pollution. Now student, what is contamination? What is contamination? Presence of an impurity or some other undesirable element that spoils, infects, or makes unfit a water for living being, that is contamination. Presence of an impurity or some other undesirable element that spoils, infects, or makes unfit a water for living being, that is contamination. In other words, how we can define water pollution? Water pollution is damaging the quality of water in different water bodies like ponds, river, lakes, ocean and seas. Damaging the quality, making it harmful for all living beings. So when quality is damaged, it is not fit for anyone. Now student, causes of water pollution. What are the causes of water pollution? First, chemical waste from factories. Chemical waste from factories, household waste and sea waste flowing into the river, lakes and ponds. The student, chemical waste, all factories are near the rivers. So when there is some production, some manufacturing is done there, so there is waste also. So what happened? That waste is flown in the river, lakes and ponds. So chemical waste from factories and household waste, sewage, all flow into the river, lakes and ponds. These are the causes for water pollution. Now waste from religious functions and rituals being thrown in the rivers and lakes. Like in India we celebrate many festivals In Navratri we celebrate Durga Puja, and statue of Durga Ji is thrown where? In rivers, in ponds. So what are these? It damages the quality of water bodies, damage the quality of a water. Now next, leakage of oil tankers into ocean and seas. Student, oils, maximum oil is transported through ships by seas and oceans. They use the which way? They use seas and ocean. So leakage of oil tankers. Sometimes what happen, if there is cyclone in the ocean and seas, ships fell or container fails. So whatever is inside the container, oils or any other good, it falls into the seas and ocean, which damage the marine life or aquatic life there. So student, leakage of oil tankers into ocean and seas. Now next, one amazing thing. Name any two major oil spills that cause serious damage to the environment. Student, deep water horizon oil spill, Gulf of Mexico oil spill is considered to be the largest oil spill in the petroleum industry history. So student, now effect of water pollution. Effect of water pollution. Polluted water contains germs which can cause disease like jaundice, typhoid, cholera and hepatitis. Student, in health and disease chapter I have explained some diseases are contagious and contaminated. So student, when water is infected, it also is what? These diseases are also contagious and contaminated. So polluted water contains germs which can cause disease. So what is jaundice? In this, skin color turns to yellow, eyes color turns to yellowish. Typhoid, have a high fever. So in this way there are many diseases, cholera, hepatitis. These were the effect of water pollution. Now another effect of water pollution, aquatic life gets affected, resulting in the loss of life of fishes and other aquatic animals. What is aquatic life, student? Life near the rivers, ponds, seas, ocean, lakes, or in the life near or in the seas, ocean, rivers, lakes. These are aquatic lives. So aquatic life gets affected, resulting in the loss of life of fishes and other aquatic animals. Now, measures to control water pollution, student. Measures to control water pollution. We should not throw waste into the water bodies. Second, factory waste should be treated before it is released into the water bodies. What? Factory waste should be treated before it is released into the water bodies. Water pipes and sewage pipes should be laid at distance from each other so that any leakage from the sewage pipe does not pollute drinking water. What? Water pipes and sewage pipes should be laid at a distance from each other so that any leakage from sewage pipe does not pollute drinking water. Now, last, we should avoid throwing idols as well as ceremonial bathing in the water bodies. We should avoid throwing idols as well as ceremonial bathing in the water bodies. Now student, hard words. So in hard words, as I have explained in part 1, part 2, hard words, in water pollution also there are some hard words that I will explain. Student, first, environment. What is environment? Natural world or habitat or our surrounding, the air, water and land in which people, animal and plant live is called environment. Spills. Accidentally fall from a container. Sewage. Dirty water carrying waste from toilet or bath. Ocean. Large area of salt water between two continents. Seas. Water body smaller than oceans, usually located where land and ocean meet. Aquatic. Relating to water, living in or near water. Ceremonial. Done on a special event. Ceremonial, done on a special event. Rituals. It is a sequence of activities. It is a sequence of activities involving gestures, words, actions or objects performed in a sequence by a religious community. So student, once again, environment, natural world or habitat or our surrounding, the air, water and land in which people, animal and plant live is called environment. Spills. Accidentally fall from a